Good morning, super morning, happy morning. And thank you so much for joining me today. It really means a lot. If you can turn on your videos, that will be super bonus for me. And I hope by the end of the session, you receive massive, massive values, and I should be able to raise your money energy to some extent. Super happy to see you, and I want all of you to focus here for the next 1.5 hours. We will be learning the concept. I want to go from the basics, the foundation, so that you understand first the concept, and then we will also be doing some practices along the way. How's the mood of my audience? If they are showing up, then we will be doing some experiential thing. And if I'm just seeing the black boxes, I will just teach like a boring lecturer. So now it's up to you how you want to receive. Thank you, Urvi. Thank you, Shivani. So first, let me ask you a question. What do you understand by when you hear the term money energy? What does it sound to you? What do you mean by it when you hear the term money energy? Some magic, something, what it is, it resonate with you.
Like one is living principle,
Okay.
energy, and money could be like it's required for your living.
Mm-hmm. It's also
Y-
required for our soul's growth. You
Yes,
can't grow your soul.
right, right, right.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing your views. Yes, Urvi.
Same, money is important to day-to-day life, and if we are having money, then our energy is also high. I know money is not the sab kuch, but it's important.
Okay, so I will break these myth. Money is not so important. And
Or
especially with
it's
women, I have this
it's
issue.
name, fame, and the game of life.
Yes. And more than that, name, fame, game of life, everything will come. When you earn money, matlab, when your energy is high, when you are aligned with your soul's purpose. So ultimately, money is your energy. If you are doing your best, you are living your best life, money will ultimately come. Most of the time we feel कि money important नहीं है, it's not so important, relation important है, this important, that important. And we forget कि what is abundance. Abundance is everywhere. If you limit one area of receiving, you block abundance in everywhere, even in your love, relationship, opportunities, everywhere. It's not only for you, for anybody and everybody, it's important. Even for God, it's important. Can you see in the temples how abundant the temples, how abundant are? Have you ever seen any like God poor? They are also the most abundant. And it is not the God, it is the person's energy that brings. And when you go in the temple, you don't ask, God don't ask कि और भी मेरे को पैसा दो, मेरे को पैसे चढ़ाओ. We only give. It is the magnetic energy that you create in yourself where you start receiving the money. So God is the ultimate magnetic attractor, right? We are not at that level. But the main concept about money is become that person, become that energy, radiate that energy that attract money, that attracts the opportunities. If you reject money is not important, if God say money is not important, don't give me anything, how will you feel? कि मैं भगवान को कुछ चढ़ा भी नहीं पा रही हूँ. Am I so poor? Right? We feel more abundant when we are giving to God. God doesn't need anything from us. We only feel we are abundant when we are giving to God. See, even the giver feels abundant while giving that person. Can you see how abundant personality it is? Similarly, the energy is your personality. You have to become that magnetic person. You have to create that magnetic energy within you. And I'm going to tell few concepts today that may help you a little bit broaden your perspective about it. Just this analogy just came regarding God, and just think you also have to become that person where even the giver will feel the gratitude towards you while giving. And many times, just by receiving, we feel, oh, it's not so great. God doesn't feel when you are giving. If God says, "Okay, you are giving me, you are making me small," how does it feel? Right? It enhances their energy. When they are receiving, it enhances their energy. Similarly, we also have to become the person who receives beautifully, who gives beautifully. Right? Are you excited to learn? And today morning, only during my meditation, it just came. I was doing the first crore master class, but then something I got, and maybe some of you wanted to hear something from me. And the main thing about the money energy mastery is it's about our inner abundance. It is most of the time we are focused on outer game, right? I want, yes, Shivani. I want more money. I want to earn more. I want to invest more. I want to manage more, right? If your inner is poor, if your inner is not abundant, you are not going to get more in your outer world. Our inner world is a reflection of our outer world. The abundance start from inner. If you become that person, if you create that abundant identity for yourself, maybe today you will not receive money. You will say, okay, there is no change. What is the change? I'm not getting any money. But within few weeks, few months, few years, you will exactly be matching your energy. Your money will be matching your energy. There is no way when you raise your energy, money don't come to you. There is no way. There is no way. Money will find its way. And lot of time what happens, we are chasing the money. I want more money. I want this person to be my client, that person to be my client, my student, this person, that job. We are chasing. And Lakshmi hate chasing. When we chase, it goes more away from us. And how it will come to you, you need to become that magnetic person. How you become magnetic? The simple formula is create the inner abundance in you, create that abundant identity in you. You will become magnetic manifester, magnetic to money, magnetic to opportunity, to people. Things will start finding you. You do not need to work on how this will happen, that will happen. You just need to set the intention. Everything will start fall in place for you. It is our inner work. Here there is no magic, pure science. It is, you can go to anybody and all the person will tell same thing. Your money grows to the extent you grow. And once you grow, there is no way money will not come to you. There is no way. It will come, whether you want it or not want it. And the irony is, when we are poor, when we are broke, we justify our situation. It's fine. Money is not so important. I am doing good. I can do this much. Maybe my education is this much. My capability is this much. Or maybe this person is blocking me. My husband is not allowing me. My parent didn't allowed me. We so badly justify our situation. We are our biggest enemy by justifying our situation, current situation. And that is where we are keeping ourselves stuck. When you justify your situation, you are happy with whatever you have. You don't want to evolve. And opposite of justifying is not complaining or blaming. Complaining and blaming is also pushing the responsibility to others, not taking to yourself. If in life you can just take the responsibility for your situation, your feeling, your emotions, this is the most difficult thing. But if you can just do this thing and do not justify your current money situation to anything. I couldn't do this study, that is why I am like this. I got married so early, that is why I got my kids early, that is why I am like this. I am not so good in English. I am not so bad and good in this and that. So many justifications we keep on giving. And all these justifications are keeping our money energy low. And today, if you are in this room, my only request from now on, do not justify your current situation. If your money situation is not good, say, yes, it is not good. I know where I want to reach and I will reach. When you justify you are comfortable, then how will you take your next step? How will you move into abundance? Your mind is just closing the doors. Okay, yes, there is no other way. I hope, is it making sense? Put in the chat MS if it is making sense to you guys. Thank you. And yes, why most people struggle with money? They justify their situations. They feel it's okay. And any time in life, it is not because of the low income. Most of the time, we feel I am not earning. I don't have skill. We just justify or we just make ourselves very low self-esteem, low self-worth people. Okay, I am not like this. Others are like that. There is no genius in the world. Everyone has the equal genius. We all are part of the same divine, same universe. We all have the equal capability. The only thing, only difference is some people realize it and use it. Some people just justify their situation. I am okay. Maybe I'm not born in a rich family. Maybe I have not got the education. There are so many people, so many examples in the world. If you see, even if they do not have anything, many people had made rich because they didn't justify their situation. They designed their life. They created their own destinies. So are you all ready to create your own destinies from now on? No justifying your current situation. Put, I design my life. I am LBD, life by design. Yes. Yes. And when you shift your this money energy, you become that abundance identity person. You start attracting the opportunity, you start getting the people. Currently, maybe your money situation may be low, and you will find, oh, I don't have time, I don't have resources, I don't have this and that. It is all because of this money energy. And the more time you stay in this, the more this chuck will also start happening. I don't have time, I don't have skill, I can't do this, I can't manage this and that. But the main idea is just recognize it and work on it. And at the end of the masterclass, I will also give the opportunity to work with me closely. And even if you are not working, not coming, that is completely fine. But whatever I'm sharing today, it's really valuable. These practices might sound very small. Okay, what it is in it, what's in it. But just do it for 1 month and you will start seeing the shift. And you all already know me. And for me, this has been the biggest breakthrough until I believed in myself, until I step into my abundant identity. I was not able to earn. I was having all the skill. I was the topper, excel, good husband, good family. Everything was there, but my inside was very poor. I was operating from the scarcity mindset. My identity as a person, from whatever beliefs I had created, was of scarcity or limited. I was limited. And today, as I'm working, I'm just removing all my limitations one by one. I have not reached there yet, but I feel that is my journey, removing those limitations, working on those beliefs, and just unlocking my full potential on the way. And for all of you, similarly, I want all of you to work on yourself, because just know each one of us is having the same quality, same potential. Human potential is unlimited. We all are unlimited. Only the limit is that we put on ourselves. And money energy is the work to remove those limitations. Once you remove those limitations from your head, you truly become unlimited. And that is a work, not like 1 day, 2 day. It's a lifelong work. The minute we remove all the limitation, we itself will become the divine. And yeah, slowly all these things happens by transforming your money emotions. Because from generations, I don't now see just women. Earlier, I was just seeing the women, but I could say men and women, we all had inherited um, these negative money emotions, identity, and habit. Because earlier, you see our how was our country, right? We were called the Sone ki Chidiya. India was Sone ki Chidiya, not because we were having all the wealth. Yes, India was having all the wealth, but why it was having? Can you see at that point in time in our country, there were the institutions, the education was the highest regard in the world, the spirituality was at its peak, everything was at its peak. And why it was so? It was not because the India was having all the money, all the gold mines and everything. It was because of the people who lived there at that point in time. Their souls were so abundant. They didn't have the fear, they didn't have the scarcity. So abundant people make abundant nation. It is our inner identity, our inner notion that makes us abundant and our nation abundant. So now I feel my mission is to awaken that inner abundance in each one of us, so that ultimately our country again becomes that golden bird, Sone ki Chidiya. And some days before only I got this intuition, and I don't know what it is, but I know for sure that I'm going to really work strongly on this part to awaken our own inner abundance, because I feel abundance is our inner quality. When from inside you feel abundance, outside will just is a reflection. It will just reflect whatever is your inside. Are you ready to be a part of this mission? Just put I in the chat box if you also want to contribute your part in making our country that abundant nation again. Because a country, a situation, of family is not just abundance by the money, it is our own inner abundance. When you are inner abundant, the outer abundance follows. If you are a fearful, insecurity is there, scarcity is there, that thing will follow. And money is the real quick thing that you can just check in your balance, and it will be exactly the same. Whatever is your energy level, that much money only you will be receiving. So that is actually very good to see. And that is why I took this word money, because it is measurable also. Because anything you can't measure, you can't improve. If I say, okay, your money energy is improving, your bank balance should also improve. If I just say you become that abundant person, that should also reflect in your outer world, in your money, in your work, in your opportunities, right? Do you agree? Yes, thank you. So yes, I already told, like, my point was also I always felt unworthy. Whatever I achieve in my life, I'll always feel less. But since the time I am working on changing my identity, changing my energy, everything is slowly shifting. Everything is shifting. So many opportunities, so many good people I'm attracting. And I'm so blessed to have the best people in my community. So when you shift your energy, when you shift your identity, everything else just follows. Now that is my mantra. And yes, like I shared, India was once the golden bird, not because of the wealth, but because of the inner abundance that was so strong. And when we revive our money energy, we revive India's golden age again. Put GA if you also want to see India rising to that level, and you also want to contribute your part in making India again that Sone ki Chidiya. And I would love all of you to please turn on the video. I would love to see your beautiful faces. I know it's a Saturday and lot of work might be there, but when you are there, you need to be 100% because the way you do one thing, you do everything. And earlier I used to get the pride in doing multiple things at a time, but to be true, now I have realized that was the most nonsense thing to do. So whatever is that you are doing, do one work at a time. Be 100% there, be present there. Then only you will receive. It's not like it's something I'll receive from here, something from there, something from there, everything we want, and then nothing works. I hope you are getting my point. Thank you, dear. Because in life, there is this mantra, just make it a mantra. Yeah, no problem, Shivani. Thank you for sharing. Because always the way you show up for others, others will show up for you. Always be fully present and do just one thing with focus at one point in time so that you receive. If something is not important, then why you are even wasting your 50% time? You are anyway not going to receive that energy in you. And why I feel money is more than a strategy, it's an energy. Because money is the emotion, money is the identity, money is the energy, money is your behavior, money is your belief. It is not just some note or coins or the balance that you see in bank balance. That is just the result. Money is much, 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 much bigger than that. If you, let's say today you have 100 crore, how will you feel about yourself? Today you may say, okay, money is not important, but will money make you feel different? Yes, right. Then it is about identity. It is about energy. When I have a lot of money, I'll feel that. But we can also turn it around. It is like hen comes first or egg comes first. It's exactly like that. If you change from inner your energy, the outer will happen. And suddenly from somewhere also you got this money, again your inner will change. Your self-worth will improve, your energy will improve, your beliefs will improve. All those false justification that you keep on giving, ki theek hai, I'm just starting, I don't know that much, I am just okay, I'm just worth this much. All these things will go off suddenly. Suddenly you will say, okay, for this work, I will be charging that much. You will not say, okay, I will accept, okay, ठीक है, 1,000 मिल रहा है, it's okay, या 10,000 मिल रहा है, it's okay. What will happen if I don't get that also? But suddenly, if you are having 100 crores, will you be doing the same work at the same time? So it's not about anything small or big. Maybe main thing is the alignment, feeling that money is an energy, and whenever you are working with it, work with like okay, someone is giving you that much money. Work with that much joy, that much passion, then it follows. Yes, thank you, dear. And now I want to share, I don't want to delay too much, the 3 secrets for money energy. First one is the receiving energy. And as a woman, I feel that is the most blocker for all of us. We'll do a small exercise in receiving energy, and if someone can turn on the video, it will be great. Okay, so only Deepika is there, so I'll do this exercise with Deepika. Deepika, you have to give some compliments to me.
You were very strong. Thank you so much, Sweta, for this session. Really, मेरा जो फोन डैमेज है तो इसलिए मैं मॉर्निंग सेशन में नहीं कर पा रही थी. अभी भी देखिए आपको ब्लर दिख रही होगी स्क्रीन.
It's
That's the
fine.
reason.
You have to just praise me. You have to give lots of compliments to me.
You were really beautiful. You were adorable, and you were inspiring me every day. And I have seen all of your stories and everything, and I am inspiring every day. You were so beautiful, so gorgeous, and you were so talented. And I am learning so many things from you every day. And you were so words नहीं आ रहे अभी.
Thank you, thank you. So now I'll reverse it. Now I'll give some compliments to Deepika. I'll spotlight you. Yeah. Yes, Deepika, you are the most beautiful woman I have seen. You are the strongest person. You are the best mother, greatest mother. You are really an inspiration to many women. You have taken a step. You are healing yourself. You are healing others. You are very, very strong. And I'm sure you are going to make a difference in the world. You are such a pure, kind, loving soul.
थैंक यू सो मच डियर मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है लग रहा था मेरे पास वर्ड्स ही नहीं है क्या बोलूं
Fine.
थैंक यू
So that is just a demo I wanted to do. So now I want to ask you something. When you were giving me the compliment, how was it feeling?
इट वाज फीलिंग सो पॉजिटिव दैट आई एम कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग यू एंड रियली आई कैन फील दैट वो फीलिंग मेरे अंदर है कि वो चीज़ मैं आपके अंदर देखती हूँ डेली इंस्पायर होती हूँ तो दैट्स द रीजन आई एम फीलिंग सो पॉजिटिव
Thank you. And how, matlab, tell me exactly how you felt when I was giving you the compliment.
आई वॉज फीलिंग सो मोर एनर्जेटिक कि अभी मुझे और अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है मतलब मेरे वर्क को अप्रिसिएट किया जा रहा है या जो मैं कर रही हूँ तो दैट द रीज़न कि मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया है तो अंदर से एक प्राउड भी फील हो रहा है कि यस मैंने कुछ अभी अच्छा कर रही हूँ और कोई भी मतलब गिल्ट नहीं आ रहा कि हाँ जो अगर मैं किसी को इंस्पायर कर रही हूँ दैट्स द वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर मी
Great, that's great. So was there any resistance or anything when I was giving you the compliments, or it was as free flowing as you were giving? So giving and receiving was equal for you, or receiving was little bit lesser?
नो नो नॉट लेसर लिटिल बिट मोर आई थिंक मैं तो एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाई बट आपने उस एक एक पॉइंट को मेरे जो एक्सप्रेस किए तो आई फील सो मच ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू कि हाँ मतलब आपने मुझे और ज्यादा एनर्जेटिक बना दिया कि अभी मुझे वर्ड्स नहीं थे तो अभी वर्ड्स आए कि हाँ ये भी तो मैं बोल सकती थी एज यू मेंशन्ड अबाउट
No,
हीलिंग जर्नी
it's
एंड ऑल
fine.
दैट
It's fine. That's good. Your receiving energy is good. But generally, what happens? Thank you, dear. Generally, what happens when we, especially as a women, we have to give, we'll just give the compliments to everyone with pure heart.
या
But when we have to receive, and it used to happen with me a lot, now I'm accepting fully. Whenever anyone is praising, I'll just discount it. Maybe by 5%, 10%, 20%. कि ठीक है यार, मतलब कर रही हूँ, बट थोड़ा और करना है, अब भी वहां नहीं पहुंची हूँ. मतलब व्हेन आई एम गिविंग, आई एम 100% गिविंग. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग दैट पर्सन कि ठीक है वो अभी 80% इवॉल्व हुई है या 90% इवॉल्व हुई है. बट व्हेन
या
आई
राइट
एम रिसीविंग, many a times we discount our achievements, discount our evolvement. We discount the compliment. And for me, many people would say, oh, you have lost this much, now you are looking that much age. And I would say, अभी पेट तो गया नहीं है, अभी देखो सारे बाल सफेद हो गए हैं, बुढ़ापा आ रहा है. Right? We discount the thing so easily. Right?
बट आई मतलब मैं इस चीज को फुली एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ कि मुझे लगता है कि हाँ क्योंकि इससे पहले जो मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रही थी आज मैं उससे मच मोर कर रही हूँ तो अगर
Yes,
मुझे कोई
that's
अप्रिशिएट करता है मैं
amazing.
उससे फुली एक्सेप्ट कर रही हूँ कि
Yes.
यस ऑफ कोर्स मैंने कुछ अचीव किया है दैट्स अभी मुझे ये नहीं लग रहा कि अभी करना है वो तो मेरी एक मतलब एक अचीवमेंट एक अलग से एक मतलब ख्वाहिश है कि हाँ वो तो करना ही करना है
Yes.
लेकिन अभी जो मुझे मिल रहा है तो जो
Yeah.
मैंने किया उसके लिए थैंक यू
Great. Great. And for others also, I want to ask from you, and you can put in the chat because you are not in the video. We can't do the exercise with you. I want to know from you, how do you also discount yourself when someone is giving you the compliment? When you are giving, you are okay giving 100%. Or maybe in giving also, if someone of you do discount others, that also you can tell. It's not because of confidence, dear. If you have to give, you give fully. When we receive, we discount ourselves because we don't feel worthy. And until you feel worthy, capable, it's not going to happen. Yes, Shivani, you can speak.
The thing is, we generally give more, like it depends on person to person. While receiving, you always think ki, yeah, nahi, I am getting more. I don't deserve it. So
Yeah.
maybe because of confidence, maybe because of non-realization of our own power we have. So we
It's
discount on it.
not because of it. It's always related with money for women. That's for sure. If Shivani would
Maybe.
have been earning 10 times than his husband, will she be feeling the same, discounting her qualities?
Yes,
Things?
yes, that's the point. Yeah. Now,
No,
like,
right? As a
You
woman,
found out the reason, like,
yeah, that is the reason, and that is why I am saying for women, you have to make money a priority. Not saying it's not important. I am okay with it. It relates with your deservability, your self-worth. And until you,
and confidence too. When we are
so
not
confidence
earning,
will come. Confidence will come, right? Confidence is not something that you
no,
first
no,
get.
I got your point that, while we are earning, and when we are not earning, so we feel that, we don't deserve respect, or that, we feel discounting on receiving,
Yes. So now,
because we don't believe in ourselves,
yes.
because we are not earning. If we are earning, we always feel कि हाँ, we deserve it.
No, even in job and all, I have seen a lot of women is, and also my sisters, even when you are giving, someone is giving, still you feel in receiving कि मैंने उतना काम किया कि नहीं किया. Do I really deserve that much? अगर आपको कोई ज्यादा भी दे
Self
दिया या
doubt,
कॉम्प्लीमेंट
self
ज्यादा
doubt,
दे दिया, you did
self
a
doubt.
very good job. Then also many women discount. कि ठीक है
Correct.
उतना नहीं किया. Male don't feel. They feel, oh, I am deserve more deserving. I should be getting more. Women feel, oh, I am getting 1 lakh. ठीक है मैंने इतना किया कि नहीं किया. Company will need me or not. मुझे और थोड़ा ज्यादा करना चाहिए. There also it happens. It's not because you are earning or not earning. It is because as a woman we are conditioned in a way, and male also to some extent, but with women that is too much. And from now on, when you have to work on receiving energy, and this energy is same, when you in one way you change your energy, other way also it will start changing. So whenever anyone is giving, and also give more compliments and receive more compliments joyfully. Do not discount. If any time anyone is giving you compliment, receive it wholeheartedly. And I was such a bad person in that anyone is complimenting me, I'll just reject it. And see if Deepika is selling so much to me, and if I say, अरे दीपिका ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं, आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड, मैं तो बहुत बुरी हूँ, आई एम दिस, she will also feel bad कि यार I was saying genuinely, she can't even accept it. So many a times we even hurt other person who is complimenting by not accepting it. Are you getting it? So from now on, just simple thing you do. Anytime anyone is giving you money, accept, yes, I am worth it. I did it. Be it a family member, your father, your mother, your boss, or any random money. We are the divine feminine. We can receive from anywhere. And only women is the creature who has the power to attract and send a man to work for us. We can be sitting at home. Male can't do that. We have that power. And because of certain things, we have made ourselves कि ठीक है, when we are at home we are receiving, I am not worth it. I was that person. When I was a homemaker, I used to feel I don't worth anything. Why am I living here? What is the purpose of my living? I can't add value. I can't even handle a house. I can't even handle, I can't take care of my husband. When even sometime I'll shout at my kid, I will feel I'm a failure as a mother. So many times we just discount ourselves, our worth, but we don't realize how much is that we are doing. Start appreciating yourself. Self love is the highest form of energy. If you can truly accept and love yourself, feel your worth, feel deserving of yourself, that is the ultimate aim. It is very easier than said. Even I have not arrived at that point yet. I am just taking steps toward it, but that is a continuous process. just just start taking one more step. Even if someone is complimenting, it's coming, oh, I'm not like that, but then think of that good quality of yours ki yes, maybe someone has seen in me, I am this. And also receiving activation. Whenever you are receiving, say thank you. And a lot of time what happens, first is the giving more, second, sometimes what happens when we are receiving some money, maybe we have put so much effort, and then we feel thankless. यार मैंने इस कंपनी के लिए इतना काम किया, 5,000 रुपया मिला, मैंने 30 दिन अपना दिया, मैंने 10 घंटे काम किया या मैंने 100 घंटे काम किया, I didn't get anything out of it. I created so much content, I put that many hours, that I did that much thing, but I have not received that much, or I have just received this much. Many a time we discount our receiving. The source that you are receiving the money from, you need to be super grateful about it. If you don't feel grateful towards the source, then again your receiving energy is getting very low. And that is one of the most powerful thing. Wherever, anywhere, from your spouse, your father, your kids, your work. Because if you don't like it, don't do it. You are doing it because money is important to you. Now money is important to you, are doing that work, but again you are feeling, ठीक है पैसे के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ रहा है. Is it true? Does this feeling come कि पैसे के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ रहा है? Many a times we had to do a lot of other thing to receive that money. We may not be enjoying everything, right? Like now I love teaching, but I don't love creating content, researching, doing, explaining, selling. So many things I don't like. But again, wherever I am receiving, I have to do all the work with the pure heart. Yes, from here my money is coming. And once you start feeling that super grateful for the source from wherever it is coming, be it your husband, father, brother, company, client, anybody, the magnetism will start following you. You will become money magnet. That may sound very simple. Shweta, is it so easy? Yes, it is so easy. It is so easy. But yet I know a lot of us still find doing it struggling, because again, it is not just knowing, it is doing and releasing from our system what is not serving us. Because knowing, I know a lot of you are working with so many people, so much work you are already doing. You may be knowing everything I'm telling you. There may be nothing new. Even one sentence new, you may not find it here. But knowing itself is not enough. And many times we know lot many things and we want to do it, but it doesn't happen. It didn't happen. And why it didn't happen? Because of the beliefs, the conditioning, the subconscious that has gone through all those traumas, that things, we are not able to take action. And then again we start blaming ourselves कि मेरे से हो नहीं पाता है, I can't do it. And the moment you say I can't do it, again you are lowering your energy. There is nothing you can't do it. Only you have to set that intention, put your effort, your aligned action, anything and everything you can do it. The moment you say, I can't do it, even I was the person, everything, anything will come. I'll just, because from childhood, I was raised in a situation where everything was provided for. So easy. I didn't have to take effort, any responsibility. I was completely dependent. After marriage also, my husband was also like father kind of a figure. He will do everything for me. I never learned taking the responsibility. So anything that comes, we start to feel heavy in starting. कि ठीक है, oh, I have to do this work. I have to do that. Yes. And whenever, even if you are not happy with whatever you have received, completely accept it and say thank you. ठीक है, this time I got 5,000. I know 50,000 is coming. 5 lakh is coming. Receive it with this feeling. I know it's easier said than done, but I hope start doing something. And if you are ready for the deep work with me, in the last, I'll also give the opportunity to work with me so that you don't have to think from your conscious to do all these practices. It will become part of you. And the second secret is the desire. Are you learning something? Are you enjoying it? Should we go ahead next? Yes, thank you. And the second secret, the important one, is the desire energy. As a woman, we are magnetic by our desire. Not only for women, I feel for male also, desire creates the magnetic pull in the universe. Until you are having a strong desire, you can't become magnetic. You can't attract anything. And for me now, I feel like desires are the divine instructions. because every one of us will have there are billions of people, but everyone will have its own dreams, desire, intentions, because our soul and desires, actually I feel, is the compass of our soul. If some desire is put into you, that is your soul's compass. And many a times, because maybe we are labeled as a greedy woman, greedy this and that, by putting out our desire, or many a times the things were denied to us, maybe because of lack of resources, maybe we were not felt worthy, and many a times even we feel like we are not worthy of receiving it. We start closing our desires, and desires are the portals of possibilities. Once you start closing your portals of possibilities, you are lowering your money and you are going away from the abundance. And desires are the tool that show you what is possible for you. And I also want to ask you, not just putting my things on you, do you feel scared to have the big desires, or it's free flowing with you? Okay, I'll do this also, that also. You are too happy in your imagination, or the more desires you have, the more scarcity or more fear will come. कैसे होगा, अभी तो मेरे पास इतना पैसा ही नहीं है कि मैं एक ही ट्रिप कर लूँ. आई एम थिंकिंग आई डू दिस हाउ इट विल हैपन. The more desires create more fear or excitement. So when you are having desire, just put in the comment uh, excitement or fear. So when you are having more desire, is it create excitement or is it create fear? ओ, अगर मैं अभी सोच रही हूँ मर्सिडीज भी लेना है, घर भी लेना है, ये भी लेना है, कैसे पैसा आएगा? Is it scaring you? Is it creating fear in you, or is it giving the excitement? Wow, new house, new vacation, new course. How your desires make you feel? Don't say sometimes. Don't say. And actually, no, these hopes, sometimes, these are such a bad vocabulary. So sorry for saying that. This keeps us stuck. We justify in these subtle ways. We don't want to accept. We want to feel great and we don't want to do great. Okay, so we justify, okay, sometime it happens. Either it happens or it doesn't happen. And many times also this the word try, a lot of mentors said, now I have realized this word such a trick. It keeps us stuck. I am trying, I am trying whatever I can do. There is nothing called trying. Either you do it or not do it. Either you are doing, either you are attracting or not attracting. Either you are feeling excitement or you are feeling fear. So there is no sometime, there is nothing like that. Or if there is something, the most of the time, whatever you are feeling, tell that. Everyone, please. Yes, excitement is the abundance energy. And the sad part is most of us feel the fear. Even when I was thinking of any desire, the fear will come, the insecurity will come. Oh, कहाँ से पैसा आएगा? How will I create that brand? How will I start my marketing? How will I start my ad? How will I sign up for this course, that course? Desires are huge, but it is coming with the fear. So it is not going to manifest. Desires need the power of excitement. Then only it becomes the abundance energy. And when you work on yourself, it automatically start happening. You feel excitement with more and more of desires. And Shivani, yes, you have rightly said, excitement comes abundance energy. But do you feel it currently? Or you feel the fear? Great. So that is the aim. You need to feel the excitement with your desire, not the fear. And the tragedy today is most of us feel this the fear. Maybe the financial goal, बच्चे की पढ़ाई, अपना financial freedom, a house, a car, vacation, this course, that course. And that scarcity mindset will come. And the fear will come. And the excitement will go away. We are not so happy. Oh, I'm saving for my kid's education. He will do great. He's going to be here or there. The fear starts coming. कि ठीक है, अभी तो इतना कम बचाया है, कैसे पढ़ाई होगा? अगर नहीं पढ़ के कुछ किया तो क्या होगा? We start creating different levels of fears in our body. and whatever you fear, you show in reality, because that becomes your belief, and you start giving more power to it. You will see that in your life sooner or later. And the desire blocks are guilt, shame, fear of judgment, and a lot of time even just putting out our desires. So for me also, this thing came, this Soni ki chidi, I want to make our country, I want to raise the consciousness of our country so that we become the inner abundant soul. And for me to be able to say it, it has taken a long time. I could not even acknowledge, oh श्वेता ऐसा कर सकती है क्या? अच्छा वो इतना कैपेबल भी है क्या ये बोलने के, ये लाइन बोलने के? ऐसा क्या है उसके पास? फियर ऑफ जजमेंट, व्हाट अदर पीपल विल थिंक, कि अच्छा इसने इतना बड़ा क्या कर लिया, इतना बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रही है. वी ओनली हैमर आवर सेल्फ by judging, by thinking what others will think. Nobody has the time to think about you. Only you have to think about your own future, your own life. It none ये किसी और का बिजनेस नहीं है, it's your own business. And yes, family conditioning कि पैसा पेड़ पे नहीं उगता है, it's hard work, women can't manage money, it's okay, you will lose relationship, you will lose health, stress will come, you will feel like a failure, so many things are there, and you not feeling worthy कि oh, can I have that much desire, should I really have the desire of getting a Lamborghini or this and that? We don't feel worthy. Yes. And yes, when you shut down your desires, abundance also shuts down. If you are limited, your possibilities are limited, and only that much you are going to see in your life. So here the task of money energy is just removing those limitations, creating more desires, creating more possibilities, healing you from inside, from this past conditioning, so that you can live to your fullest. And yeah, desire is our soul's compass because it gives us clarity. When you get the clarity, your focus goes there, and then you expand. You as a person expand. And when you as a person expand, that is where you become magnetic to money. More money start coming in. More time you start buying. A lot of time we feel, I don't have time. How will I do this? And uh, time is something that is equally for everyone. You see Elon Musk, what he is doing. You see all the top rich person. They are doing a lot of things. And we are not just doing 1% of them, and we still feel, I don't have time for this. I don't have time for kid. I don't have time for house. I don't have time for learning. So you need to expand. The time will expand itself. And you have to find the ways. These are the super excuses. I don't have time. I don't have money. That keeps us stuck. Time and money is something that you need to create. You need to know how to be resourceful. And these are the very good excuses. I don't have time. I have this and that to do. I don't have money. I have this and that. So that you don't grow as a person. You be in your comfort zone. Our brain's task is to keep us at the comfort zone. Be here only, don't go anywhere. Everything else is very risky, because as a human race, how we have evolved, we were hunters gatherers, and outside there was animals, anyone can eat us. So still we are operating from that brain. Unknown things feel like very scary, very fearful, and then we try to limit our exposure, we try to limit ourselves. ठीक है, यहीं पर रहो, just do this much, you can only do this much, you are just worthy of this much, don't try that much, you don't have time, you don't have money, you don't have energy, you don't have support. All of those things you create when you create your abundant identity. You Earlier, when I was not working, I was having only one son. Before that also, I was just studying for my UPSC, and that time also it used to feel like time nahi hai for anything and everything. It to feel like time nahi hai. Even when my son came, still it was like time nahi hai. यहाँ कैसे जाऊँ, ये कैसे करूँ, पढ़ाई कैसे करूँ, time nahi hai, time nahi hai. Now I have two kids. Now I have a house to manage. Now I have my three businesses to manage. I'm doing it everything. So currently also I am also in the expansion phase, but it's not like I am doing perfectly everything. Yeah, still it is chaotic here and there, the things goes, but I am much better than I was earlier. when I was not doing anything. That time also I didn't had the time. That time also I didn't had the money. Now I have much more time, much more energy, much more fulfillment, and much more money than before. Is it making sense? So desire is something that gives you direction and it creates that magnetic feeling. And many a times what happens now, we fear just by the desire. जैसे कि पहले आई वांटेड टू गो कि ठीक है मुझे मालदीव्स जाना है, आई वांट टू स्टे लाइक फॉर 1 week इन द ताज, but then the fear will come, that money we can use in this and that, and then I'll stop desiring that. So when I'm doing it, I'm repelling the money energy also from me. So anything that you are desiring, don't attach the fear with it. Let first money come in. When money comes in, then you decide you want to go to Maldives, or you want to go on a retreat, you want to invest in a learning, or you want to save for your son. Many times nothing is happening. You are desiring and then you're canceling the desire. Am I worthy of this desire? Should I have it? अभी तो ये मेरा condition है. So now I want all of you to expand your desires. Don't think will it happen or not happen. When you are blocking your desires, you are blocking the possibilities. So when you are having the money, then you can decide, okay, I want to go to Maldives or not. Then it's your choice. Many a times we desire and then we reject. We order something with the universe, okay, I want this thing, and then I cancel. Oh, maybe I'm not ready, I'm not worth it, I don't have money, or I have so many other things to do. We instantly cancel our desires, or maybe after some days we cancel our desire. It used to happen with me a lot. Does anyone else has experienced this thing in our life? We desire something, then we cancel. No, 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 no. Maybe I'm not worthy, or I have so many other things to do. We just cancel it. Yes. Yes. So just create a connection with your desire. Don't get too attached कि अभी जैसे ही मैंने बोला कि आई नीड अ बीच हाउस, कि अब तो बीच हाउस मिलेगा तभी श्वेता हैप्पी फील करेगी. Do not attach too much with your desire कि only this should happen, but create multiple desires so that your portals of possibilities are getting opened. It also activate our brain's rest system. You will start getting creative ideas. You will become magnetic. Opportunity will start coming to you. You send these signals to the universe. Okay, I want this also, this also, this also. And abundance energy is end energy. I want this also, that also. So for me, when I started, I just thought I will be a finance coach. Then I started investment. Then I went in money energy. Now I'm also going into manifestation. And I was 3 months before, I was doubting, Shweta, where is your clarity? What is that you want to do? And lot of people were coming and telling, your message to market is not clear. What exactly you want to do? You want to grow in investment? You want to be a coach? You want to be a healer? You want to be a this and that? And 2-3 days before, I realized when I was doing this morning chanting, Ki Shweta, this is the abundance energy. You can do it, right? You can handle family, you can handle finance. You are special. Maybe the other person who is talking about clarity, he is not having that much capacity. He can just think on one thing. And that is where sometimes we limit from others' perspective. कि ठीक है, we start doubting ourselves, our actions. क्या मैं सही कर रही हूँ? क्या मैं गलत कर रही हूँ? Should I take it or not take it? Yes, if it is coming for you, maybe you are meant to do it and you are doing it so beautifully. Accept it. And abundance means and, not or. Many times we think in terms of or. कि मैं हेल्थ का ध्यान रखूं या मनी का ध्यान रखूं, मैं काम करूं या घर का काम करूं या ये करूं. लॉट ऑफ टाइम वी थिंक और, या तो मैं यही कर पाऊंगी, इधर आई कैन टेक ट्यूशंस और आई कैन टेक कोचिंग, इधर आई कैन बाई अ लैपटॉप और आई कैन टेक अ वेबसाइट, either I can go to a friends or I can do this. Now start operating from the energy. If it is important to you, not like I'm saying and to everything you have to say and. Saying no is very important, but if something is important and you are doing and you are feeling aligned with it, you are doing it right, Create a end in your life, not the or like we are deleting the things. Okay, I am limited, I can just do this. No, Urvi can do anything, Deepika can do anything, you can do 10 things, Anusha can do 10 things, Shivani can do 10 things. Do not limit yourself. Abundance energy is unlimited. Yes, and we give this name the confusion. For me, I was just hammering myself a lot. Shweta, where is your clarity? What is that you want to do? Karna kya hai? People were asking my mentors, like I am having different mentors for investment, for healing, for coaching. Okay, what is that you want? And now I'm okay. Okay, anything and everything I know I'm going to teach. And now I'm not going to put limit. Yes, I know how to do manifestation. I know how to raise money energy. I know finance. I know investment. Why not to help people with everybody? If I have the skill, I can do it. Right? Are you resonating with it? Is it making sense? And don't use the word confusion now. So much in my life, I have used this word confusion. Say, I'm exploring, I'm aligning. Use the right words, and our words are our life. When we use the word, I'm confused, I don't have clarity, you felt stuck. If you, the energy will be like that. Okay, I don't know, kya kar rahi hu. And for me, I could see in my life, I was doing hundreds things, but that alignment, that ease was not coming in the life. Efforts, the things were feeling effortful. And now, like from some time, the things are just flowing. I'm getting opportunity, mentor, people are just coming to help me. They are asking, the big coaches, they are asking, Shweta, you need any help? I'll help you in this. Are you struggling there? Do you want to do this? Just let me know what help you need. The investment people, they are saying, okay, anything you need, any resources you need, just let us know. You want to learn this, you want to learn that, what is that you need? We are here. I'm so blessed to have all the people, all kind of people are coming. You need help with sales, you need help with this, I'll teach you that. But again, I have to decide first what is the most important thing for me to take on. I can't take everything. But the thing is, the moment you raise your money energy, many times we are just कि कैसे होगा, how will I do, how will it start unfolding on your own when you are just getting in alignment, when you are feeling that abundance. अपने आप सब कुछ होते जाएगा. You will start attracting those kind of a people in your life, those situations, everything will happen automatically. And because the desires, why we block our desire, because then we see our financial reality. Think I don't have enough. And many times we even don't create the goal. पैसा चाहिए किस चीज के लिए? We even don't know कितना पैसा चाहिए, किस चीज के लिए चाहिए. We are just feeling I don't have much. When you don't know, when you spend accidentally, you are not taking control of your money. Money is controlling you. All these things are going to happen. You need to know exactly for what you need the money. That is also like setting an intention, creating a desire. And lot many time we just say कि हमें बहुत पैसा चाहिए, ultimate wealth चाहिए. What is that ultimate wealth? Put that number. How you're going to do? Maybe today you are not having. Set that goal. Create that desire in clear terms. Many times our desires are very vague. Maybe I say कि today, Urvi, I am hungry. Give me something. And now she prepares something, and then I say, oh, I hate it, I don't like it. And someone will bring non, until I'm telling, maybe I want to, let's say, eat Thai curry today. Okay? And I told you, and you all want to serve to me. But none of you is bringing Thai curry, and you know all how we can make. But I'm hungry, I want that, and all of you can give me that. But I'm saying I'm just hungry. So someone may bring the rice, someone may bring the rasam, someone may bring कि ठीक है आलू कचौड़ी खा लो, someone may bring the non-veg. I am not clear कि चाहिए क्या, खाने में भी चाहिए तो क्या चाहिए, भूख तो लगी है, पर उस भूख को मिटाने के लिए what is that you want? And many a times the main reason we are not receiving anything is we don't say it clearly. चाहिए क्या, पैसा चाहिए, पर क्या करना है उस पैसे से? What is that you want to do with that money exactly? Money doesn't come by just saying, okay, I need 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, or a crore. You need to say what is that you desire. Your desires open the portals of possibility. Money will flow to you through your desires. Is it making sense? Okay, so now let's do a quick meditation. Just close your eyes. Take few deep breaths. And if you guys can turn on the video, I will be super happy to see that you guys are doing it.
POV, you thought writing.
Just take few deep inhalation and exhalation. Inhale and exhale through the mouth. Feel deep relaxation with each breath. Take one more deep breath. Gentle and deep. And exhale. One more time, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. One last time. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Now I want you to visualize yourself in a beautiful garden. Try to feel the grass. This is such a fresh grass. Feel the morning sun's rays touching your cheeks. Feel that cool air touching your cheeks. Try to engage your senses in the visualization. Look at the beautiful flowers, birds. Try to hear the sound of the birds. Keep walking in the garden. Look at what is that you are wearing. Feel completely relaxed. You don't have a worry in the world. It's such a blissful day. Now, as you are walking in the garden, there is a place where a carpet is there. I want you to go there and sit. And now I want you to invoke the blessings of the divine, the God that you believe in. I want you to feel his or her presence. See him or her is standing just in front of you. And feel like a part of you is just standing in front of him or her. The divine is very pleased with you. You are such a pure, kind soul who wants to do the good in this world, who wants to transform the life of many. And today the God is so pleased with you, and He is asking you, what is that you want? And now I want you to tell your desire list. I want you to tell your 10, 50, hundreds of the desire. Take 1 minute, 2 minute time. And as you are saying, feel it. Just now I have told, okay, tell 50, 100 desires. Don't just start saying pat. Say, feel it, see the exact color. What is that thing? If it is a dress, exactly see the dress. What kind of a dress? If it is a car, what kind of a car? If it is a house, what kind of a house? If it is your website, what kind of a website? Exactly see your desires. Give them the colors. You have 2 minutes time. It's time for you to open up your possibilities. Let's do it together. Just believe in the divine. He is here to give you everything that you desire. Just open up. Today is your day. And as you are saying it, feel like it is getting granted. With each desire, feel the Tathastu. You are receiving the Tathastu with each and every desire. Feel that emotion, feel that happiness, feel that joy, calm, fulfillment in your body as you are receiving what is that you want. Feel supremely grateful for this experience, for the divine. Feel that divine in you. Feel that supreme gratefulness in you. Slowly start coming back. And I would love to listen to the experience. How was it for you? Were you able to do visualization completely? Were you able to feel it in your body? And I'm so grateful to all of you that even I could experience it. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here today. It really means a lot. Any one of you would like to share your experience? I would love to listen. You can unmute and share. Thank you, Irvi. Yes. If any one of you can unmute and share, it will be great. Can you see the shift in your energy when you are asking, feeling that connection and feeling that abundance in inside? And can you for me it happened initially. I was asking some small thing. And could you see later when your small desires are getting filled, as your small cup is getting full, how is then later it became all about giving to me. Initially it was like take a beach house, this card, website, this and that. Later it just became about giving. Have you experienced that? If any of you have experienced something similar, I would love to listen.
Yes, dear, but I am unable to speak.
No problem. So actually, this is one beautiful thing one of my mentor told me. Many a times people feel spirituality means detachment. I don't want it. Think I don't want luxury bag. I don't want luxury holidays. I don't want this and that. And she said it so beautifully.